to assemble. Timber loader. Done! It's time to fuel. Timber loader. That's all. Now we can remove the wood from the plot. Tap the screen to keep building. Let's fix the rusting. Move the tool to clean the stain. Go on. Let's paint over the discolorations. Amazing! Hooray! We have to assemble. Hydraulic hammer. Keep it up. The car has to overcome the obstacles. Help it! Let's tap on the object to remove it from the road. Tap on the objects one by one to done! Let's crack the biggest rocks. We need to wash. Hydraulic hammer. Clean the dirt off the machine with a brush. Now let's wash off the rest of the foam. You're doing really great. Build your own vehicle park. Drag a vehicle to its silhouette. That's all. We have to assemble. Bulldozer. Keep it up. Now we need to fill it. Bulldozer. We did it! We need to prepare everything for the digging machine. Let's remove the rusting. Let's paint over the discolorations. Done! We did it! Build your own vehicle park. Don't stop. Ready. The car has to overcome the obstacles. Help it. Choose a tool that will help overcome the obstacle. Tap on the right tool to remove the obstacle. We did it! We need to wash. Excavator! You're doing really great. Build your own vehicle park. Keep it up. Ready. It's time to fuel. Dumper. Drag the refueling gun of the right color into the tank. Press the pump. Keep it up.